We've got these 3 side effects: sweaty, vomit, dizzy. And we're trying to figure out how many of the subjects experienced only one of these effects. So what we're trying to find is X plus Y plus Z. Okay? That's what we need to find. So they tell us 40%. 40% is all of this, okay? 40% have sweaty palms or something. So it's you may want to take 40% times 300 to get 120 people, but there's an easier way to do this instead of having to do those nasty calculations. So it tells us that if all the subjects experience at least one of these effects. All right, so we know if you sum up the whole thing, what percent would that be? They're all in there. That would be 100%. So let's take 100% equals what? Well, it's the 40% plus the 30% plus the 75%. Of course, obviously, this is not equal to, this is more than 100% on the right-hand side. That's because we've double counted. Now, they tell me that 35% experience exactly 2. So that would be that. Can you see that? Let me get my other color. Exactly 2 is that, this, and this. So let's subtract those out. The problem is they don't tell me about D, but I know that D has been counted 3 times. And I only want to be counted once, so I need to subtract off a 2D. Now, if I solve this thing, this is 100% equals what? 145% minus 2D. So that's negative 45 equals a negative 2D. But I lost my minus 35, so let me go back and pick that up. So I've got what? Let's erase that. I've got, this is 100% equals 110% minus 2D. So that's going to give me a minus 10 equals a negative 2D. So that tells me that D is 5%. So we know, we're trying to find X plus Y plus Z. We know A plus B plus C is 35, and D is 5%. So if you add those together, you get 40%. So that means you're left over with 60%. That would be X plus Y plus Z. And so we want to take 60% of 300 because that's how many people we have, and that would be 180 people. Sorry, I lost that 35%. So your answer is D.